episode, we have discussed that fear is a cause of stress. And if we avoid unwanted fear, then we can close a window towards stress. Hi friends, it's Preeta with a new topic this week in my YouTube channel, Human Excellence Techniques with Preeta. And the topic is fear. Fear is a natural, powerful emotion which alerts a person towards the presence of danger or threat of harm. It may be physical or psychological. The Law of Success, which is a famous book by well-known author Napoleon Hill, in which he mentioned 6 basic fears that a human may suffer. They are fear of poverty. It may be due to the loss in business or job loss, etc. Fear of criticism. It exists due to insult by some people. Fear of loss of love of someone. It is a pre-assumption to have broken relationship with parents, siblings, lover, spouse, friends or relatives. Next is fear of ill health that all of us are undergoing presently due to COVID and its after effects. Fear of old age. This fear generates in older people with an imagination of loneliness, health issues and negligence by others. Fear of death. It arises in every human when a person assumes his permanent separation from wealth and relationship. Excessive imagination of what may happen lead to fear. Those who are always living in their mind suffer from fear. Friends, fear is a natural and essential for our survival and safety. Fear of a poisonous insect is essential for a child. Otherwise, it will become a threat to his life. Fear is must for a person who is fond of speed driving. But the fear of status and position is unwanted. If a person gets anxious while boarding a flight and try to engage himself or herself in different activities, then it is called fear. But traveling long distance, days and days, to avoid flight is phobia. Fear can be managed through logic, but it's difficult to manage phobia as it is persistent. Each person may experience fear differently, but some common physical symptoms are sweating, increased heartbeat, chest pain, chill, dry mouth, shortness of breath, etc. Now let me tell you what are the effects of fear on our body. Hypothalamus, which is a gland present in our brain, secretes ACTH, which stimulates the secretion of adrenaline, which shuts down our immune system and causes fever and chill like experienced during fear. And even it stops the flow of blood from forebrain to hindbrain, due to which we get irritated and we start shouting during fear. There is another gland called amygdala. This gland is a big player who proposes, or we can say who processes memories and help rest of the brain to take action as per the memories stored in the brain. That means if there is a bad memory in past, then amygdala will not allow us to act in a similar kind of situation. Fear is not always harmful. Like other emotions, fear is also having some positive effects. Like fear helps us to be alert of the danger. Fear of illness helps us to promote a healthy life, a healthy food style. Fear of job loss helps us to increase our competency. At the same time, fear of criticism helps us to perform our level best. Friends, how can we get rid of fear? First of all, move towards the fear. That is, take an action towards fear. That means if you are afraid of cockroach, then go near the cockroach and see what cockroach is doing. Verbalize the fear. That means write what are the effects of that particular fear on you. Then share this fear with your well-wishers. If they are not afraid of that fact, they will give you some solution. Last but not the least, think of the extreme that will happen in case of that fear. Let me share an exercise with you. This exercise may appear illogical to you, but our subconscious mind accepts only illogical thing. It never accepts logical thing. And this exercise is based on NLP. For this exercise, sit comfortably on a chair and close your eyes. Take deep breath 5 times. Inhale and exhale. And just imagine that you are sitting in a theater, and in front of you a broad screen is there. Close your eyes and visualize that your fear is moving on the screen in the form of a movie. See it in a brighter, bolder visuals. The color should be brighter, the picture should be bolder. See it moving like a movie that you see in the theater. Try to bring all the audios that were present during that fear, during the incident of fear. Let it move like a movie. Observe each and every action that is going on. Observe each and every person's movement in that movie. Let it move on smoothly like a bright, bolder movie. And when it comes to an end, just stop for a while. Keep your eyes closed. And now rewind this movie from the last scene to first scene. You can imagine that you are having a remote in your hand, and let the last scene appear as the first scene, and slowly rewind the movie. Let it be brighter, bolder. Observe, hear all the audios present in the movie, and slowly let it come to the first part of it. You have to do this exercise 2 to 3 times in a continuous row, and after that you can observe that this fear or the incident of fear is slowly vanishing from your mind. You have to do it several times until when you move it forward, you stop seeing the images. Friends, the brake of a vehicle help you to drive it confidently. In the same way, fear is like a brake which helps us to avoid danger. So let the natural fear flow like a brake and unwanted fear move away from your life. Let's meet in the next episode with a new topic, that is love. Until then, it's Preeta signing off.